I got bored when I was taking a day off, so I am making a quick video about the basics of animation in Clip Studio, because I'm a pro. So first we want to start off by opening Clip Studio and getting upset at the loading times because this weirdo always wants to show up. And then I panic because I forgot that I still had it open, so I have to close it and then reopen it. So you click on File, New, and then be sure to click on the little reel thingy in the top left corner right there. I'm changing my frame rate to 12 and the playback time to 24 because it's a good default and Clip Studio has a paywall for over 24 frames. Then we're into the default animation canvas, which is what we're going to be making the animation on. So here what I'm just messing with is the timeline. It's at the bottom of your screen and it should look something like this from 1 to 24. The frames of the animation, or the cells as they're called in Clip Studio, work much the same way as layers do in generic digital art. This little thing over here at the top of your timeline that says new animation cell is basically just going to create a new layer in the animation folder that creates the next frame. Now you can turn on onion skin just to the right of that. Onion skin allows you to see your previous and next frames, like you can see here. To create a guideline for your animation, which is what I've just done, I've cut forward a bit here, is by making a new folder and adding new animation cells into it. Then you can go back and delete or hide your animation folder like you would any layers in Clip Studio. I'm just going to go over that with whatever design I have, which is a little penguin. That will be like a little bouncy penguin instead of a bouncy ball. Lastly, it's very easy to adjust the length of your animation. You have to move the two little blue tabs to whatever frame you begin or end on, or whatever frame you want. And that will be the animation that is playing whenever you want to look at it, whenever you want to replay it. And when you export, just make sure that your frames are correct. So in terms of export, you have several different options, but you always have to, if you want it as animation, export as animation. Otherwise it'll just do the one frame or whatever. You can export that as a series of PNGs or as a movie, which will be an MP4, and there you are. You know all the basics, very, very basics, about creating the tiniest little animation, or a massive one, who knows. And I hope this helps at all.